Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver since 2012, we have seen there is a continuous downfall and it was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. You can say from 2014 to 2022. After that, a sharp upside we have seen because the pending wave was there, so the price of silver went down, and after that there is continuous upside in all the commodities you can see. Okay, after that what we have seen, making a high at this particular level, it was moving in this zone. As soon as it breaks this zone, it made a swing at this particular level and went upside. Okay, and now it was trading in this zone, so it made that particular zone and now it is continuously on the downside, as you can see. But a hammer is created here, as you can see, this particular candle. Okay, after that also we have seen a red candle is forming, so probability is very high that we can see it can move further low towards a level of 21.184, because this is a strong support we can see coming at this level. So we can see a bounce back can come from this particular zone, but if this resistance sustained, then we can see it can go towards a level of $22.65, because this level $22.65 is a resistance. Once sustained, then we can see it can go further upside and a probability of going further high is there. Before we move forward and explain you where the silver price can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Now look at this chart, there is a swing is forming at this particular level. So suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of around, you can say, the next support coming at around $21.495 to a level of $21.315, and once it move below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.685, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $20.365. once it move below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $20. Okay, suppose if the price move below that level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around $19.428 to a level of 18.978. Keep this in mind. Once it breaks this particular zone, chances are very high it can go towards a level of 21.225 to a level of around $20.776. Okay, so what you have to do, a swing has already formed and a strong support coming around 21.225. so these are the level. From there we can see a bounce back and a level of $20.776 to a level of 20.506. so once it move below this level, then only we can see it can move further down. But suppose if this resistance sustain or whatever it is moving at the price is gives a bounce back to this level, so the next resistance we can see coming at around $22.483 towards a level of $23.562. okay, and again it will move in this zone. So once it move over that level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $24.101, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 24.550, because this is a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross this particular zone and it can go further upside towards a level of $25.559 also, because there will be a breakout happen. So probability is very high it can move further upside and it can go further high towards a level of $25.719, and from there we can see it can move further upside. So chances of going further high is there. So you have to keep this in mind, because some of the factor which affected the price of silver moving in volatile market and volatility we have seen in this commodities. Why? Because we have seen the Fed was continuously increasing the rate, okay, as the dollar is getting strengthened, as well as the war situation was there. Okay, now there is a probability that the interest rate again can be increased. Okay, so chances are high that we can see more of volatility in the market. Okay, so understand something what I teach in my workshop. See, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is $1,000 to $1,500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum loss you can do is $500. okay, that is 100 per trade. Now understand this 500, if you lose, it will not affect your psychology. Rather, if you lose 5,000, that will be a psychological point, and then you will try to recover. In that process you will lose full capital. This is how people do and the traders do. If you want to attend that workshop, I teach how to overcome all these things. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.